journey to the beach. What a delightful place to spend the day. Here one finds complete relaxation and is invigorated by the tang of the fresh, salt air. The soothing rhythm of the surf, should we say carries one away? Yes, I think we should. For those who seek entertainment, there is the amusement pier where everything... Say, wonder why all the crowd? Looks like a fight.
I guess you think you're trying to kill this turkey. Well, I am, and I tell you why. Today is my day off. So, as is my usual custom, I can do the beat.
My body lies above the ocean. And my body lies My body's above the ocean, and my body lies above the sea, and my body lies above the ocean. Bring back my body to me, to me. Bring back my body to me. That's a turkey. Yogi must consult God. He's in there.
Goody, goody, goody.
You open the curtain, and I'll grab you.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
And that's say I'm going to get rid of this woodpecker once and for good.